Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we're going to be talking about another carryover model from Harley-Davidson 2024 Breakout 117, coming in at $27,499 Canadian, compared to last year's model pricing, $26,549, so a difference of $1,900 and... No, my math is horribly wrong. Is it $950? I think it's $950 difference, and it's actually pretty good. So yeah, my math is horrible. So $950 difference, and again, no surcharge. However, unfortunately, which this I don't agree with, but anyway, chrome trim only. Yeah, I would love to see a Breakout in all black. And so would several other customers who have come in to buy Breakouts at our dealership. They've actually blacked them out completely. I mean, lots of money spent in converting them. We have actually sold more Breakouts that have been converted into blacked out Breakouts than we have ones that have remained chrome. So I'm not super surprised, considering I'm someone who actually likes a blacked out bike. However, those of you watching might actually be blown away by that little fact there. Now, we have Billiard Gray, which is the base. Obviously, this color is looking great on pretty much every model. Yeah, I can't even think of a model that it doesn't really look good on. So, oh, right. The Softail standard, that was the graphics problem. That wasn't the paint. Now, moving on to your second option, it's going to be Vivid Black, which used to be the base color. It's going to cost you an additional $450. Now, keep in mind, the Breakout has such a crazy graphic on the side of the bike, and you're never really truly getting just Vivid Black or just Billiard Gray. You're getting quite a unique graphic, which I personally love. It's very abstract, and I really like it. So it's really nice to have a hot rod. I guess you could call the Breakout a hot rod, and a hot rod with such a unique paint job. I love it. Now, here is a really interesting one: White Onyx Pearl. Now, this color is brand new for this year, and it really looks so good. $800 more Canadian though, so a little more money, but that's all right. It looks really, really nice. And what I'm predicting to be my favorite color this year, Blue Burst, is also available for the Breakout 117 for an additional $800. And we also have another new color available, Alpine Green. Same price as well, an additional $800. So with ABS, security, and cruise control, the Breakout 117, with the addition of all of these colors to choose from, and also the revamp, which we had last year with the bigger engine, bigger gas tank as well. This thing is taking names, man. This is actually one of my favorite models from years ago. Now, I can't remember specifically what year it is. Maybe, hopefully I'm remembering this correctly, a 2015 Breakout, I believe. That might be the year that I was kind of drooling over, I don't know, and one of those things. Anyway, so this was one of the bikes that I was really looking at and just being very inspired by. I loved the rims that were on it and everything, and there was actually a customer who came in who has one, and he was showing me photos of his Breakout, and he did a bunch of custom stuff, and he changed the rake on it as well. I don't even know how to describe it, but it wasn't to change it so there was a bigger wheel, accommodated for it. It had something to do with the handling. There was some sort of like engineering aspect going on there. And he's a very old school guy. I haven't seen him in a while, but he I don't know, he definitely made me think a little bit more outside the box when it comes to modifying that particular model anyway. And yeah, the Breakout is just really, really cool. I just wish it wasn't only in the chrome trim. Like I said, there's been a few customers who have literally come in, bought those bikes, and just everything that's chrome is gone. They painted everything, or they took it off. They ordered a black exhaust. Yeah, powder coating. Yeah, they powder coated stuff black. I mean, there's just tons and tons of work that have been done to at least 3 bikes, I believe, if I remember correctly. And so the Breakout is just super nice. And for a mere $950 more compared to last year, not $1,950. My math, oh, sometimes it fails me. This is why I need a calculator. So, anyway, as of recording this one, I think I've decided that I'm going to do a prediction video, a very brief one. Maybe it won't be too long, 5 or 10 minutes, but I think I'm going to do one. Based on all the videos that I've been watching and with all of the carryover models now listed, we are still waiting for, obviously, all the models to be released, but I think I've got a few ideas to use towards a prediction video, so I think I'm going to do it. So hopefully you guys are excited about that. And for this video, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the Breakout, the paint options, the price, everything. Let me know if you guys agree with me that they should offer a black trim option for the Breakout. Leave a comment down below. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on all the other carryover model videos coming up for the rest of the month, leading up to January 24th when Harley does their big reveal. And I'm running out of time because I have to make my prediction video before that, or else it's going to be really, really awkward for me coming out with predictions after things have already happened. Time travel? No? Yeah, no. Anyway, I have to make the video pretty much right now and get it posted. So anyway, enough of my rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.